аккумулятор работает на 3000 мегаватт.
What's up, gamers? Today we're going to test out the Fun Dip and then see if it works on TNT. Let's get a taste test before they test it. Yum yum. Wow, it actually tastes really good. Well, let's test it on our TNT. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, that was a blast. Like, it flew everywhere. Like, oh my gosh. Now let's test it on the nuclear power plant. Yay! Isn't that dangerous? No, it'll be okay. I'm just trying to get some fans. Yeah, I'm just trying to get some fans. By the way, let's do it right now. Yay! What's gonna happen? Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait. What the actual heck is that? Okay, we heard a loud
at our factory. He's made out of turnip and
trying to escape as fast as possible. I repeat, we are trying to escape as fast as
possible.
Hold up. My gosh. See, I told you this was a bad idea. Holy cow! Let's get the berserkers out of here.
How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes, got nowhere to run.
In the name of the